Okay, everyone, now we come back again, and this part 3 we talk about how to use JS Directive and even listener. Yes, even listener. Okay, so we back to the main JS again, and this compute I don't want to use. Okay, right now I move to so and rows, and I move to the actives. Okay. So we for and peace question. So I add friend. Okay, we add cheers, peace, and full name. Okay, so add the name, very fresh. Okay. So I add the age. I move to the file. But and we use the with the loop in actives. So I call and I add a file here. We call with the age. Okay. Age in 1 years. Okay, now we add the button to input. Now we bind with the input v model bind. Okay, so I add the input. We use the model, and now as we add the p dot first name. Okay, first name. When I refresh and p the first name, and when we type the data in the input mean that directive to the like Pedro. Okay, so I add like Pedro, but we use with the full name. Okay, and then I input the more inputs. And we use the v model with the last name, and this is the directive to the first name and last name to Alejandro. For example, Alexandra, and change. Yes, the mode like this, and we change or like this. Okay, this is the same, but the directive is to the owner. Yes, owner variable. So right now we want to increase the age here. We use click the button plus to increase or and decrease the age age number. So right now we go to okay, I add the age. So the B. Okay, and now we add two button to increase the age. So I use the button. Okay, so we use the we on. Okay, we on, and we refer to the even listener clicks. Okay, clicks. So I call the p dot age. Okay, sorry with the and +1 dot watch. So I add assign plus, so I want to call it like this. Okay, and okay, sorry, and we refer to the p dot h, and I number 1. So when we click, mean that the increase h. Okay, and I copy, we add the one button. We use with the plus. Okay, so okay, when I increase or decrease the h push. Okay, now we move to the use the method here. So I use the method, and we add the JSON keys. So right now we create a function in the method as to replace this function here. Okay, so we move to the user function object. So I use the decrement age. Okay, and function, we create a function to call the label here. So we call the object, use the page, and we return okay p dot 8 and +1. So in this we move to call the function and discrete age. So we add the p here. So I refresh, and okay, and sorry, and this other. Oh, okay, sorry, and age we use with the p dot hp. So I increase, is it the same? Okay, we copy and to increase the num age. So I increase. Okay, increase. We add a function name here, increment age. So we move to the plus here. Okay, I copy the function name, we pass, and we add the p here. So okay, and increase or decrease the number like this. Okay, and this is the same, but in the bowl we cannot, or you can use it like this. The same. So we move to use the sort function. Okay, so we use add, and I use add. So when I click, decrease and the number here. Okay. So we call it like this. Okay, and now you know already how to use the feature, compute, and the methods, and then we use the directive to the Vue.js. Okay, and this video in part 3 I want to complete, and I to finish this lesson, and we learn the next step with the part 4. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget, please comment, or and you have a problem, contact via my video. Okay, thank you everybody, say goodbye.